Let me show you how to make stunning water splash designs in Canva. Start by creating a new project with a dark background. Add a color shape as your base layer. Blue works great for water effects. Upload your main image and remove its background using Canva's magic tool. Search for water splash in the Elements section to find transparent PNG graphics. Drag your chosen splash effect onto the design. Position it creatively around your subject. Adjust the size and layer until it looks natural. For extra impact, duplicate the splash and layer multiple sizes together